Hey everybody, welcome to Smart Working Way. Today, we are going to present Master Affiliate Marketing. We will give you some tips to become a great affiliate. Follow the way. Subscribe the channel and stay tuned till the end of the video. We wish you a good watching. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a very profitable activity carried out online, as the name says. It is the sale of products or services by an online seller. In this case, it takes the name of an affiliate through the concession of a merchant, owner of the product or service, in exchange for a commission. In a few words, we can define the work of the affiliate online as the sales representative that we all know, well-dressed, and always out and about to travel miles to reach their customers. This can be done through private individuals, and often the affiliate is paid by performance, or you can rely on an affiliate program, which tracks all the movements, providing the merchant's advertising material to the affiliate. An affiliate program is very convenient for both parties, making this business much easier to manage. How to make money affiliate marketing? There are essentially three methods of profit, and they are divided according to the creation of contacts, leads, or through sale, or through clicks that are made on a particular link. Now let's analyze them in more detail. 1. Payment per lead or even cost per lead. The merchant pays the affiliate a fixed commission for each visitor who clicks on a certain link, referring, and does an action on the merchant's site, such as completing an online survey, registering on the site, or choose to receive emails. The goal is to create customers, making a list of them and then create customized campaigns. 2. Pay-per-click or cost-per-click affiliate programs. Every time a potential customer makes a click action on the affiliate's link to the merchant's website, or to a single sales page, landing page, the affiliate will receive a small fee based on the number of clicks registered. 3. Pay-per-sale or payment-per-sale programs. This is the most classic procedure, the payment procedure in case a sale is made. Very often good percentages are recognized. It can be very profitable, especially if you opt for high-cost products, so with a certain degree of difficulty of sales. Why is affiliate marketing profitable for e-business? This business has a lot of positive aspects on its side. If done methodically, it can be very profitable, leading you to figures that traditionally you could only dream of. Below, we will list the reasons why affiliate marketing is the best business to do online. The startup costs of such a business are very low. Certainly, you have to consider investing in yourself. Nowadays it is the most important investment, and the best thing is that the skills acquired will be for life. Affiliate programs don't cost anything, they are free, and I provide all the material to promote online. Expenses are low, because in addition to internet connection, and expenses for hosting and web domain, if you want to have with a site, it is not mandatory, you will not need it in the initial phase. Selling on the internet can bring unimaginable profits, as the sale is made one-to-many, and therefore the result of a sale and multiply. Below is a list of common errors that should be avoided absolutely. Website. This is where users need to find you. So it has to be a nice site, accurate in its details, updated. You will have to create an affiliate blog with interesting content, able to attract traffic, organic traffic to which you can answer their needs. Always remember that being an affiliate is selling, and to achieve this goal, you have to provide users with what they are looking for. It is not enough to create a website with 4 images and a few randomly thrown links. No one will consider you. On the contrary, the traffic you will attract will be scorched earth. Products. These are the starting point of everything. You have to have products in line with your chosen niche and go get the ones with more relevance, and present them in your way, through all the tools in the market. Products such as content are the pillars of your affiliate business. You must be consistent, in line with the market. You must track your target audience and always give them the solution for their problem. You must always be up to date, because the more your business will fly, the more you will be seen as an authority in the sector. Being dominant has its price, so you will never think that once the business is launched it will go alone. Of course you can make it as automated as possible, but you must always give it away with constancy and dedication. These are very common mistakes that people make and then give up. The concept is that the web is very large and there is a lot of competition. But with affiliate marketing you can always take a % of traffic, always following the method. You have to be active, with fresh and constant content, create targeted advertising campaigns, and finally do not let the traffic acquired by interacting with them escape you. What you need before you start an affiliate marketing. Although there are not many expenses to start an affiliation business, but there are several things to do if you decide to start with this business. Here are some tips before you sign up for any affiliate program. Here are some tips before you sign up for any affiliate program. First, it is important to think about creating a website. This will determine your success. 1. A well-structured, simple, and co-impressive website, where your customers will be able to find what they are looking for in a very quick and familiar way. At the same time, it will also have to be fast, so it is important to have a good hosting plan. Many in the market prefer SiteGround, a real leader in the industry. 2. An online portfolio will also be essential, which can be connected to an affiliate program, which can provide you with the commissions accrued. An example of these wallets are PayPal or Stripe. 3. Make web and physical addresses that you can provide to your customers, so that they can contact you, optional a phone number. As a suggestion, use these addresses for your referral activity. How to choose the best products. Affiliate marketing should be thought of as a long-term business if you want to get things done right. Of course you can sell products here and there, but this is not a long-lasting business. To create a good business, the first question to ask is in which area of the market I have the most expertise, in which area I could provide my experience for as long as possible. These skills can also be passions, certainly. On the other hand, you have to do a market research. To these passions must correspond to a certain market with relative demand. When you look at the market, you must also look at the location of the market. Often there are unexplored niches where there is a good business to develop. Just have a minimum of vision and start to lend products in the right way. At the beginning nothing will be clear, everything will seem a total confusion, the products will be many, but you will have to try without haste to clarify, and develop a personal way with a nice descent, since the climb will be just as significant. Do not be discouraged simply because everything is not crystal clear when you start this part of the process. Practicing a little patience and giving yourself time to find the right products to promote as part of the program will only serve to make you focus more on the success of the program. In the end, you will find the products that will lead to a very successful affiliate marketing system and provide you not only with a good revenue stream, but also a lot of personal satisfaction. What are the best online affiliate networks? The world of affiliate marketing is getting bigger and better known. In fact, many leading online commerce companies have equipped themselves to provide their personal affiliate program. We are talking about two web giants, Amazon and the Asian giant Alibaba. In addition to these direct networks/programs, there are some real classic networks, and among the best we can mention Clickbank, but also Digistore24. How do you reach the level of master affiliate? A master in affiliates is the one who manages to make high profits from the creation of its business, high volumes, high traffic, in short, a large amount of sales in general from the products it sponsors. It is not enough to achieve this goal only once. This type of affiliate does it with constancy. To achieve this goal, we at Smart Working Way, in collaboration with the City of London College of Economics, can help you achieve your Master in Affiliate Marketing diploma. Nothing could be better than being able to demonstrate your skills with a professional certificate from one of the best schools in England. You will gain fundamental knowledge about income and expenses, traffic, click-throughs, and conversion rates, picking the concept with the most profit potential, finding affiliate programs for your concept, building your site, the structure of your site, the content of your site, traffic analysis, and much more. Check the link in description for more information about the course.
subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of Smart Working Way and much more. Thank you for watching.